Hello, firsties. Here's another read aloud for you. It is called Fly Guy Presents Dinosaurs by Ted Arnold. This one goes along with the other dinosaur book we read the other day. A boy had a pet named Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz. Okay. Buzz and Fly Guy were at the Natural History Museum. "This museum has lots of cool stuff," said Buzz. "There are dinosaurs' bones in here." Bones! Fly Guy was excited. They went inside to learn about dinosaurs. Dinosaurs walked the earth about 250 million years ago, during the Mesozoic era. Back then, all the land on earth was pushed together. This landmass was called Pangea. Do you see that? All the continents and countries were together in one big landform. And Fly Guy says, "My house!" Dinosaurs lived all across Pangea. Over millions of years, the land drifted apart to form 7 continents. Scientists have discovered 700 kinds of dinosaurs. Not all dinosaurs lived at the same time. Humans did not live when dinosaurs were alive, but flies did. For example, the Tyrannosaurus rex and Stegosaurus never met because they lived at different times. Flyosaurs. Dinosaurs were reptiles. Reptiles are covered in scales. Other reptiles include crocodiles, lizards, and turtles. Dinosaurs are also closely related to birds. That is because of how their leg bones join to their hips. All dinosaurs had scales, but some even had feathers, like birds. Baby dinosaurs hatched from eggs. Some eggs were as big as footballs. Others were small. Most dinosaur eggs were laid in nests on the ground. Some dinosaurs, such as Allosaurus, ate other dinosaurs or animals. They were carnivores. Carnivores had sharp teeth for hunting and chewing meat. Other dinosaurs, like Iguanodon, ate only plants. They were herbivores. Herbivores had flat teeth for chewing leaves. Vegetarians. Tyrannosaurus rex was a carnivore. T-Rex had sharp teeth and claws. It could run fast and had a good sense of smell. T-Rex was about 40 feet long. That's as long as a school bus. T-Rex was a great hunter. That is why T-Rex is called King of the Dinosaurs. Many dinosaurs, including T-Rex, were predators. They hunted other dinosaurs or animals called prey. Dinosaurs had weapons to scare off predators or to hunt prey. Many predators this is going to be a hard one. Velociraptor. Oh, I know that one. Velociraptor. Had sharp teeth and claws. Stegosaurus was an herbivore. It had a large spiked tail to help keep predators away. My body is my weapon. Dinosaurs survived on Earth for a long time. So, were they super smart? They were good hunters and defenders. But most dinosaurs were no smarter than cats or dogs. Scientists believe that most dinosaurs had small brains. Stegosaurus had a brain the size of a walnut. That's not very big, guys. A walnut is it's only like that big. Really. Nuts! Sorry, I have to keep adjusting our page. It gets too bright. Many reptiles that lived in the Mesozoic era were not dinosaurs. Dinosaurs lived only on land. The pterosaurs were flying reptiles. The pterodactyl is a type of tyrannosaur. Plesiosaurs lived in water during the time dinosaurs lived. Pterosaurs and plesiosaurs were not dinosaurs. I did not know that. I thought they were. Dinosaurs ruled the planet for 165 million years, but about 65 million years ago, they all died out or became extinct. Scientists don't know why. Some think a giant meteor hit Earth. Others think an ash cloud from a volcano's explosion blocked the sun, leaving the dinosaurs with nothing to eat. Because without sun, plants die. Whoa, that meteor is huge! Fossils are the remains of something that exists long ago. They can be in rocks that formed over many years. Other fossils include dinosaur bones. Scientists have learned a lot about dinosaurs by uncovering fossils. Fossilized dinosaur poop is called caprolite. That's silly. There it is. There's a foot, and there's a pterodactyl fossil, velociraptor skull, and a stegosaurus skeleton. A paleontologist is a scientist who studies the history of life on Earth. Paleontologists go on special trips called digs to look for dinosaur bones. When they find bones, they rebuild the skeleton. Each bone is dug up, then it is cleaned. Next to the scientists put the bones together like a very hard puzzle. I like puzzles, but that might be a little too hard for me. Paleontologists sometimes make mistakes. A paleontologist put the wrong skull on a Apatosaurus skeleton. He thought it was a new kind of dinosaur and called it Brontosaurus by mistake. In 1887, another paleontologist found a skull in Wyoming. He thought it belonged to an extinct bison. Later, he learned it belonged to Triceratops. Putting a dinosaur skeleton together is tricky. Back at home, Buzz built a skeleton. Dinosaurs are welcome, he said. I can't wait to go on another field trip. Hey, that's a pretty cool dinosaur skeleton. Look at all the recycled stuff he used. Okay, guys, I'm going to have a few questions for you. And just answer what you can, put it in your journal, and send me a link to it. Take a picture and send it to me. All right. Have a great day and take it easy. Bye, guys.